Hi everybody. I told you guys in another videos I'm going to live stream every day, but I couldn't make it. Yeah, but I think it's not really really big impact because of not many people watching, so it's not big impact. So that's okay. I think that's okay. Okay. Yeah. Today I bought something and I want to share with you guys. Chips. I got two. Actually, I went to the supermarket just this evening, this late evening, and I bought coffee and 2 bag of chips. Um, well, I bought a bottle of Thailand. This one is the rabbit release. I bought a small one, just a $5 something. Only 25, pills, but the big one is 100 pills. It's only cost $8 something. I think $8. I forgot, but it's, if you bought the big box, it's 100 pills. It's cheaper than the one, combined of four of them. It's more expensive, and then the one big one, 100 pills. But anyway, I don't think I need 100 pills, so I took the small one. Yeah, I think I should buy. Oh no, I think about it again. I should buy a big one as well because you never know. That's nowadays. Many things happen, but we don't know if for sure. We still have more. You know, I don't know. I just come up with buy the big one, but anyway. So I bought the small one. Yeah, I bought this one, and then what I buy? I bought a lighter. This is how much that is total? $22, 26 cents, and tax the 12 cent tax. I think the lighter 12 cents, so that's a 22.30 e. And yeah, I went there at 2039. That mean what? 8 839 is right? Yeah. And when I check out, it's 839 because 24, we have a 24 hour, so this is a 2039, which means that is almost 4 hours short. So that's this is 24. That's 24. That's mean 12 o'clock. So that's less than 4 hours. It's 8 o'clock, and the 39. So that's 8:39. See. That's our $23. It's lighter too. The lighter I use this already. Uh, autumn is this. I bought this only like on sale, except this and the lighter. Oops. Buy one get one free. Yeah, buy one get one free. Oh, yeah. This one is they sell $12.99, but they on sale this week. So that's $8.99. But it's still expensive. And last couple months, the last month I bought only $7.99. That's time the $11.99. They on sale. So that's $7.99. But this month I bought this is $8.99. It cost me $1 more. I think last month. Yeah, okay, you can say last couple months because one day last time I went back there they didn't on sale, so I went to Walmart. I bought another type of coffee that's like only about $4 something. Um, so this is and this, can you believe this? This is a $5.99 per bag. Last year or last couple of years, I bought the kind of cheapest, the $5 something. I got a big bag for sure. But now this is $5.99. I didn't make up this price here. You can see that's $5.99 per package. But today they sell buy one get one free. It's still expensive to me, but anyway, I bought. So I share with you guys. Have something I tell with you guys. Yeah, I love these too. I know I for sure I can eat it, but I have never eat this kind before. This one is hard, so. And this they call what? Ruffles original. And this is nutrition facts. Yeah. Before usually I read for you guys, but I stopped doing it because I cannot read those because I'm old now. I'm getting older, so I cannot read the words. I need a lesson. But somehow I wear the reading glasses. It make me dizzy when I take it out. I don't know why. So on coffee, this one, this I bought a whole bean. I bought one. I bought one bag on last Friday. They still on this calendar, weekly ad. So I bought one last Friday, Saturday, Sunday, or something like that. Or Friday, I bought this but that's the raw coffee. So this is not sesame oils like the one I hoping. Usually I like to buy the whole bean hum, so I run it when I need it. So the smell better, it's right, but somehow last week somehow I forgot about I took the raw one. So anyway, this is what you got. This one I will open this for you guys to see. This one, this is Ruffles original. Increase what they have: potatoes, vegetable oil. They open the and in that vegetable oil is the canola, corn, soybean, and or sunflower oil and salt. Oh, yeah, it's almost 12 o'clock. I'm kind of sleepy. Let me move. Cause I charged the laptop is ran out of battery, so I charge this. Now it's full. Now I need to take care because if I don't leave it there, it will turn hot. So that's. Oh. about 9 serving per container. So serving size about 12 chips. So it can serve for 9 people if they eat only 12 chips. One person for 12 chips. So this bag for 9 people. 9 people. That's right. Yeah. It's $5.99 US dollars. USD, not Dong. That's USD. 5.99. Can you believe it's for this package cheap? 5.99. But anyway, I bought. Oh, this is how many. It's 8.5 ounces. Yeah. One, two, three. Open. Yeah. I got something to pull out. Let me see. Let me take this one. Anyway. I don't think that's compared with this too small that I pull out. You cannot see us. Forget it. Forget about this one. Just leave like this and then eat like this. When you eat this, you need a Coke and you eat more and drink more and eat more and drink more. I think anyway, I pull out for you to see because you need this one to dip into, but I didn't buy it. Oh, next time. How's that? I think it's mascara. What's this one? This is kind of okay. I'm back. Hey, it's the junk food. I tell I'm trying to, live stream every day so for you guys, but I didn't last year. Oh, today when all my skill, I said, okay, let me do it so I can keep track next time. So that's why it's come late now. That's not bad. Guaranteed, guaranteed fresh until printing day, 12 September 2023. I wonder why they wrote the 12 September 2023. Usually in the US, we write September 12, 2023 is right, but we need a comma. I don't know. There's a Frito-Lay ink. The Grunchick and Ranger. You know what? I can tell you from my secret. Every time I eat potato chip, the packet potato chip, I talk a lot. I talk nonstop. Without repairing, I talk this and this and this. I don't know why. That's why sometimes I want to talk. I buy a bag of chip so I can eat. I eat a talk. No, I don't talk. Sometimes I don't like to talk. But I know sometimes I need to talk something. But my body didn't want me to talk. So if I want to do talk, that thing suggests I need to eat potato chip. Don't ask me why. I just figure out now. I just figure out recently about when I eat the potato chip, I talk a lot. I talk a lot and talk nonstop and this and that and for going on. I can sit there talk for hours without tired until my voice changing, but I still keep talking. And the word just pop up in my head for me to talk. Sometimes I can try to retrieve word to use when I talk, but either The word, not this one, potato chip. Not only this one, any potato chip I bought in the store make me talk a lot. Even that day, I didn't feel well, or I was sick. Last time I talked with another channels, that day I didn't plan to talk anything. I just want to open the package of chip for people to see it. And somehow I start talking, I talk. So up to the point, my voice come out kind of weakened. I still want to talk more. I don't know why. If one more thing is a Coke next to me, on then Coke and potato chip. That's next time I try to let you see. You know what? If I know this before, I know if I know I eat the potato chip, make me talk. Before, if I go to in the past, if I went when I went to the job interview, I I should I should eat the potato chip together when I went to the job interview. Okay, because back then when I went to the job interview, I drove the job that's 1 hour from my house. It's more than 1 hour. I live in Orlando, but I drove to Tampa Bay to get the job interview there. But by the time I drove there, I already tired because I never rode that far. And when I got there at the Tampa Bay, I tired, but I didn't know I got tired. I'm tired. I'm sorry. I didn't know my body was tired. So I went to the interview and my head kind of blank. I forgot everything I studied. I didn't get that job. That time was in 2007, 2008. I think 2008. The job is pay $55,000, something like that. The question is so easy. It was so easy, and then the question are easy, and um though the test from my what I study in the school they are so easy. Until now, I think about professor is so easy. And then they interview me, and then that time my head's like, oh, I answered not very well. I said, okay, well, they like me, the car like me, and they like to, give me the job too. That's why they give me the test. So they make decision. They some. But the thing, like when I took the test, like if my head kind of blank, I forgot everything. So, but those question and that test, so it was easy. It's not hard. It's like a piece of cake compared to what other is going like 1 to 1,000. But when I was those things in school 1,000 times harder than those questions. But I failed all. I didn't get all the answer for those questions. And the job is easy too. It's not hard for me. If there's time I accept that job, I think I moved to Tampa Bay. I will hard not accept. I will do like answer the question. But anyway, if I got those job, I I cannot now. I cannot sit down here to talk with you guys. Whatever I want to talk. Because that is top secret job. When I make decision, it's appears. I show up my face in this channel. Talk with you guys. That's mean from the long run and for the rest of my life. I should not touch in any job as a secret thing or anything. Also, I don't think they hire me. You know what? Today on the news, I saw like there are another company, insurance company, they live in the state of Florida. That's the insurance company. They write policy about property insurance and auto insurance. Also, they write the umbrella. That means umbrella insurance. That means they combine the auto and the property insurance together. Usually, that they said they can give a discount to the homeowner, and they said they discontinue discontinue doing business in Florida. They they won't renew any more for the current policies. That I think like that. Oh, they said that's 100,000 policies. Mhm. But they said the another affiliate company with them. They have two company. Two company policy belong to the two company is not affected. So from there, I know the insurance company, and they have another small insurance company too. That's why that's mean that's why I think that's why the reason why the insurance company the people pay insurance more too, because that's kind of the company insurance they split to the another small have connect to sell the you have the insurer have to buy uh they have to buy big, how do I say, mm, you know because this small conventional insurance they do the business, they have to have money, they have to earn something. So this one have to pay them in certain amount to get, keep the selling policy, insurance policy. So that's mean the cost for that's cost to after the homeowner. To me, isn't yeah. Okay, the two will become soon now. And then just minutes ago, before I start do live stream, I saw the news of another channel. I think West Palm or something like that. Television. They said AAA they dropped some policy, insurance policy too, homeowner insurance policy too. And people love blah blah blah. And just now is the insurance, party insurance. Uh, AAA, not, I think they didn't wrap the auto insurance, just a property insurance. But for the farmers insurance, they stopped doing business, and for the, I mean, they drop the property insurance, auto insurance, umbrella insurance. So that's the auto insurance, or whoever buy a whoever on their auto insurance, they have to do a new one. I think the good solution is, what, people of Florida, they don't need any insurance company at all. If something happen, the state take care, the federal take care. White House take care. I know another people from another side. Oh, we have the law, we have the paper. You guys, blah blah blah. But think about NASA. NASA right there. NASA is launched many this year too. And every time they launch something, there's change the environment here. So we are affected. Not even the way the climate, our body is affected too. So, but if NASA launch something, that means they carry something for communication, like satellite or anything for that. You guys can use the cell phone, internet. So you have to share with us. Or something happened. One of the new channel, this new television sessions on Monday. The ocean water temperature at around Florida is 90 degrees. It's very hot. They said it's never happened before. Now, if here we live in, if we got some like no rain and 1 week or 5 6 day or 1 week or more, and when it start raining, we got lighting a lot of lighting, and it's scary lighting too. I heard in the news too, the gentleman they said he never filed any claim in 25 years, and they dropped his insurance. He retired now. He said he retired because he retired, but he's still working to get the money to pay insurance. Now insurance dropped his policy. He says he had never filed any claim in 25 years. To me, it's so. Another way I thinking about that, we have the policy like make the insurance if the last year there nothing pay out to the homeowner, or there no claim, they should pay back. They should pay back the homeowner a certain amount because then they didn't claim. So that's just not fair. Um, I wonder before no hurricane, no storm, they didn't pay out every year, so they didn't pay anything out, so they got money from the homeowner. Where is that money? Is that they split at the end of the year? That's money. I know the CEO get a big chunk of money if no claim, and they got more policy, write more policy, but the rest money, where they go? Right. The last time Orlando got hurricane in 2004, and the next the hurricane before last year is 2017. But not many people not many people affected that hurricane. Not like the 2004. So that's 2004 to 2017. 17, so 13 years. That's 13 years. They didn't pay any claim in Orlando. I think, yeah, no, Orlando. Where does money go? They should pay back the homeowner a certain amount in those years. And then they start 2017. At the end of 2017, there was a hurricane, and like my neighbor, not many people filed a claim in 2017. And then the last year, it's only a couple of them, not around me, only one. Only one. To me, the insurance thing happen now. It's not. Before they claim many things. They claim that our housing is rise up, and the cost of material, blah blah blah, and then they claim because people are fraudulent, blah blah. I don't think it's many. It's just a small percent. But if that happens, it's because of them. They got bad management. And they do the business like you. I showed you the new one that just came out today. Is they have another two after they gave it them, so that's when the cost of people homeowner is more because they have to pay them. They have to pay certain amount for them, so that is add up to the homeowner. Sorry, I don't know how to explain, but probably some of you understand what I say about that. And then they outsourcing the stuff too. They they didn't hire. They don't. They just don't do anything. They want to earn it or something like that, because usually the big company insurance, they need to hire people, like the training people to work for them, like inspector, so they own them employees, so they take care of that work. But they usually, I think, now they want the less work, less manager, less doing work, the outsourcing thing stuff. Um, uh, I know the inspector they have to do like a contractor. They have people, um, and I believe the paperwork or stuff, and they outsourcing too. Customer service for sure they outsourcing. And then usually they outsourcing like for this company and this company they outsourcing to another one is also that's the kind of like chunk. So and then after cost the cost is passed to the homeowners. And I heard another story, the video by in the California. People they got the food stamp, the SNAP card, or something like that. I don't know now. But back then they call it food stamp. But that time is a paper food stamp, not in the paper, not the card. So I think believe it's SNAP card, something like that. Every month it's the money to the government send the money at the certain day, something like that. They know how, so people can use us to buy food. But some people they use would on that they went to the store to buy food, and when they check out there are no money, and they check is and then check with back with them, and then the money is gone because the scam tried to take away from them, take ran out the money from the car. So that is just the car from the government. Does the government still they have a problem with that, the scam or stuff. They say a lot, and every month. Can you imagine the private companies, bank for sure they have also a lot, and they can outsourcing customers of it. That's why they got lots of money. They got to scam a lot of people like that. Hmm. For like I know I don't work for a government. I don't know. I guess for sure not. I guess I don't know for sure. I guess it's the from the government the same thing. They also the work contract, not outsource, but the word they use is a contract. Probably that's why I know they. Um, I No, I didn't check it before. I check to look at any job in the government, but I couldn't find any job. Most of the job they opened there was they require you 7 years experience or stuff like that for this kind of small job, like not high skill job. I don't think you can find any that's on the government job listing. Those job like probably sent to contractor. Like people like most people think like NASA. People work for NASA. This is the employee for the NASA. But now we know that this is a contractor. They contract with another contractor, like because in the past some people shooting and then this way that guy is work for the contractor, blah blah blah. I hope not saying that. No, that's from the news, not me. The news, they deliver that time. So we know they're contractors. If you any one of you used to have one time in your life work for a temp agent, temp job, and you know what I mean. I worked for them, not a lot, but I did work. And you know, that's how the the thing is security and secret or stuff like that. I should stop here. I should stop it there, but it continues say something that's not good for me. Anyway, I ate a lot. Oh, one more. The news too. I just saw when I log in, I saw it's new and I clicked on it and see and watch it and then I said, okay, let me talk with you guys. This is a Wells Fargo bank. They lay off 100 people in Orlando, something like that. But the truth, you know, I don't know. By not right now, by now to the end of September. Um, last week, I drove by one of the Wells Fargo branch. I don't see any call. I said, today holiday? Today weekend? No. Holiday? No. On the weekday? Why is no car? Oh, usually there's some car there. I look around when I park waiting for a light, the traffic light come, and I look around and I saw on the window at the door, entrance door, there's certain paper, hanging on there. Oh, I guess since they closed that branch, they don't do any business that branch. Not only that, another branch I know they closed. They didn't reopen. I think they don't. I don't think they opened. No, I think they did open back after COVID. It's right. But anyway, that's when it's already closed. And another one last week, I saw that's the second one. So that's why I told you guys, whatever you see on the news, that's already happened. That is the additional. Probably they closed the branch, but the employee they transfer to another location. Or some employer get fired because of this and that. No more talking. No more eating chip. But if I say something more, and I will have a problem with my future. Anyway, thank you for watching. See you next vlog. Bye. I don't feel like I'm going to eat this one tonight. That's one hard too.